Hello, dear homeowner, Dayton here with Rodriguez Cleaning Services. If you're planning to buy a rug recently, if you have the question, how do I make sure that I buy a good quality rug, something that it will last long, something that it would be an investment, let me show you what's the answer. The answer is on this quarter. And you be like, well, that doesn't explain much, that quarter. Yes, the answer is on this quarter. What I mean with that, if you're buying a rug and you want something that it will honestly last many, many years, there are two type of main rugs that you see out there. One is a handmade rug, the other one is a hand tufted rug. The hand tufted rug is the one that you can see a piece of cloth on the backing. That one will last many years, but it won't last as long as a handmade rug. And of course, a handmade rug will cost more money. But now that you decide to go with a handmade rug, they look identical, and you're like, what am I going to take? Well, we go back to your quarter, and what you do, flip the rug around, throw this quarter on the back, that way you have something to compare to, and then try to count or look at those nuts that you see on the back of your rug. The tighter those nuts are, the more knobs you have on the back, the stronger that rug is, the more time they put in to build that rug. This is the trick to buy a good lasting rug. Make sure that you have a good thickness on that rug. Make sure that those knobs are very tight, that you have a lot of them. And also feel the rug, put your fingers in between, try to feel the fibers, and that will tell you. But the secret is in the backing. That's how the rug is held together, how it's made together. But that's the way that I suggest that you look for a good quality rug that it will last many years. If you have any questions, please leave a comment on this video. Thank you.